In this video, I'm going to be explaining if you can change your Snapchat username or not. So if you load up Snapchat and then you tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left-hand corner and then tap on the settings gear cog at the top right-hand corner over there, that'll take you to your settings page, and you can see here it says username. Now, if you tap on username, nothing is going to happen, and that is because if I go out of Snapchat real quick and go into this article that I just Googled, it says your Snapchat username is set when you first create your Snapchat account. It's not possible to change your Snapchat username. This is for security reasons. It's also not possible to transfer account data, memories, or snap streaks from one username to another. So when you first create your Snapchat account, you will want to select the username that you want to use for the lifetime of that account. If you want to change your username for Snapchat at any moment in time, then you will unfortunately have to create a brand new Snapchat account and then carry on with that new username, but then you won't be able to transfer your streaks, your memories, or anything like that between the different accounts. So that is kind of the downside with Snapchat, but that is your answer in short. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.